Hello traders, this is Rich from TradeSight. This is a look at our market preview of leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for Thursday, June 27th, 2013. Right now, we've got a day that's fairly strong, but we're paired off here as far as signals go. We've got a couple upside signals and a couple downside signals. The ones I'll be a little bit worried about are these camouflage sell signals that appear to be popping up here. Got a pretty strong day going in most of the biotech names. Amgen's 2.5% above the day's open. Biogen's more than 3% above the day's open. Elsewhere, in different patches, Sign is having a strong day, 2.5% above the day's open, and Netflix today is notably weak. Moving on to the financials, again, we've got a mixed condition here. We do have some upside CPS signals and also a fair amount of camouflage sell signals. We've got volume bumps in ICE, ICE, and also NYX, so the exchange stocks are definitely in play. Definitely, unfortunately, there's really no real bias here today, so we could see this wind up either way for tomorrow. Taking a look at the energy patch again, same condition, pretty much paired off here without any real theme. BTU, which was real strong yesterday and worked for us on the long side, is notably weak today. Looking at the generals, no change in the theme here. Again, we're just basically pretty well paired off here with some buys and some sells. Do have a volume bump in Dow, DOW. That one's going to be putting a downside candle on the chart, 1.5% below the day's open. And now looking at the housing stocks, this is where we're starting to see some strength. The housing index is really one of the stronger ones today. We've got upside CPS conditions in a lot of these names: Home Depot, Lowe's, Hovnanian, and Toll Brothers. And NVR even has a differential buy signal. Transportations are kind of mixed, a couple of signals on both sides. And finally, the commodity names. These are the weakest sector on the day. Again, the XAU is very, very weak. Right now, that's down more than 5%. We can see the volume coming out of these again, so perhaps we're getting finally close to some kind of a climax here in these names. We've got a downside CPS condition in ABX, that's 4% below the day's open on a volume bump. We've got a conflicted condition here that'll resolve itself before the close in Double G, and we've got a downside signal in Newmont as well. Again, most of these are on pretty good volume. So definitely seeing weakness today in the metals, starting to get more oversold, and the housing stocks are definitely where we're seeing the strength today. All right, folks, well, good luck tomorrow. As always, thanks for listening, and this has been Rich for TradeSight.